This is Uzamaka from the Women of Remarkable Destiny. I want to talk to you about four great workshops which I'll be hosting. The first one is Overcoming the Effects of Sexual Abuse, and that is for people who've experienced sexual abuse. I'll also share my testimony and the issues that I encountered and provide solutions of how I overcame. The second workshop is Prevention is Better Than Cure, and that's a workshop where I'll be giving tips, practical tips for parents to prevent their children being sexually abused, and some of the signs to look out for. I'll also be hosting another workshop called Better to Be Safe Than Sorry. It's also a workshop for schools, students, and young adults, just to let you know on tips you can, certain things you can do to avoid putting yourself in vulnerable situations. I'll also be hosting another workshop called Volcanic Eruption, and that one is a workshop for parents whose young children have experienced sexual abuse. I'll talk to you about the impact it has on a child, mentally, physically, emotionally. I'll also provide solutions on how you can help your child or your children walk through that process, the pain, the trauma, that I've experienced. So join me, as I go into these workshops. I will share my testimony because I was sexually abused as a child, and it's had a lot of impact, negative impact. And so this is my time and opportunity to give back to the community, to help somebody else. And I want you to know that you can be healed. It was a long process. So those are four workshops that I will be working on: overcoming the effects of sexually abused, prevention is better than cure, better to be safe than sorry, and volcanic